First of all, you need to record a video of yourself jumping to desired locations. You then download the CapCut app from either Apple Store or Play Store. Once downloaded, you go ahead and upload your video by clicking on New Project. You select the desired video and then click on Add. Once added, the idea is to keep all the points that we are high up in the air and delete all the points that we are down on the floor. I already had a few edited, so you realize that to the left of the white bar are only the high points and to the right are parts yet to be edited. Now let's target the high points and do the splits from there. We split by selecting the video and just clicking on split. The video from right to left to the parts where you are beginning to come back down again, then you split again. Now you can go ahead and delete the part that you are down on the floor, which is on the left part, leaving the part that you are high in the air that constitutes a smaller portion. Just delete by highlighting and clicking on delete. Let's go over the process again. So I'm looking at the points where I'm high up in the air so I can split. So I'm beginning to jump. Yes, so I can split from somewhere here, and I can split again from where I'm beginning to come down but not yet on the floor whilst I'm still hanging in the air. Once splitted, I'll go ahead and delete all the parts that I was down on the floor, that is to the left, leaving the parts that I was high up in the air. Let's do it one more time. So all these parts, I'm on the floor, I'm beginning to jump, I split. You need to be accurate in this. Okay, split, I'm still high, beginning to come down, I split again. Yes, and I'll go ahead and delete all the parts that I was on the floor to the left side, and I leave only the high parts. If the portion you are splitting is too small, it will tell you can't split unless you add up a little more to it, but just be accurate. If you mistakenly split it, just click on the undo button to undo the split. Once you are done with the whole video, this is how it will look like. I haven't splitted this portion because I deliberately want it to look like that, depending on the concept you want to create. Yes, so you can see that all these parts are splitted. Once done, you click on export to export your video to your camera roll, and then you can share it from there, or you also share it directly from this app. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to comment your thoughts down below, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.